back for another video of Self Reset My Car. In today's video I'm going to show you how I can measure the oil of a BMW 2019 F40 series, if I remember correctly. And in this short video I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Self Reset My Car. Have a look at the channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars, some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's say we changed the oil and we need to check the oil measurement. You need to have the car warmed up. Then you're gonna use this stick over here to find the car area like this, press it, then go to the vehicle settings, vehicle status, then you'll see the engine oil level over here. Scroll with this button and press it. Engine oil level measurement is only available if the engine is warm enough and you need to have the gear in the park or in the neutral. Have it in park and then press it and start measurement. Start measurement and you'll see a percentage over here. Wait for it to reach 100% and you'll see that if the oil level is correct or not. Give it a second. So the car is running, the engine is hot, and you need to have the transmission in the neutral or in the park to be able to do the measurement for the oil level. And when it reaches 100%, you'll see an indicator showing you the oil level of this car. There you go. We have our indicator over here. It says the minimum and the maximum oil level. And in my opinion, this oil level of this car is correct. That's on how you can measure the oil level of a BMW F40 series. I want to thank you for watching our videos and hope to see you next time in another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.